welcome to our video lesson for today here in English 9. At this point of time, we will discuss the continuation of employing the appropriate communicative styles for various situations. And we'll go on to frozen style. Well, in the past few months, or I should say past few weeks, we have discussed some of the communicative styles that we can use in various situations. So let's go to this one. Communication is a process of achieving common understanding by sharing ideas, feelings, facts, information, and views. Thus, it is essential to humans as well as to an organization. A variety is a set of linguistic items with the sense of mutual intelligible, which means that among people who are in communication with one another, they will understand each other. So, the variation of language can be seen from the form of language, vocabulary, the grammar, the style, you name it. At this point, what is frozen style? It is also known as fixed speech. It is used generally in a very formal setting. It doesn't require any feedback from the audience, and it is the most formal communicative style for respectful situations. It is a style of communication that almost never changes. It has a fixed and static language and uses long sentences with good command of grammar. This style invites the reader to enter into a personal experience of creative discovery, such as literary texts, such as or like poetry, which he may memorize, replay, and refill, and to find more profound values and meanings with each repetition, transforming the text into a frozen one. Also, it uses customary ritualist expressions that allow listeners or readers to identify the large speech event in which it is embedded. For example, pledges, anthems, marriage ceremonies, laws, Shakespearean plays, funerals, judicial sentencing, contracts, wills, and more. Like for example, in DepEd, we've got DepEd Vision, DepEd Mission, DepEd Core Values, even the Philippine National Anthem, Panatang Makabayan, and also Panunumpa sa Watawat ng Pilipinas. We've got some of these compositions wherein those sentences, those words were already fixed. The characteristic of pronunciation is monotone. It is called frozen because it already has a pattern and cannot be changed. In written language, frozen style can be found in historical documents. Frozen style is composed of a long sentence than the others. The utterance of this style must be accepted seriously by the hearer. We can find the example of this style, for example, declamation. Declamation of king to the people in the church or ceremony. This style is more elaborated than the other style, and it's structured and planned over still longer spans, often whole declamation. So in frozen style of communication, the said composition was already fixed. It has something that there is almost no change or whatsoever. So far, we have already discussed this frozen style of communication. Remember, when it comes to frozen style of communication, we are talking about fixed speech, and we can find it in some of the speeches, declamations, compositions, and others. So that's our discussion for this moment, and I hope you have learned a lot about this. So thank you so much for listening, and see you on our video lesson.